OPI Nature Strong is a natural origin nail lacquer that provides richly pigmented color with up to 7 days of wear. To apply at home, begin by removing existing nail lacquer. If needed, trim and file the nails. Using OPI Pro Spa Exfoliating Cuticle Cream, gently push back cuticles. Cleanse the nails using alcohol and a lint-free wipe. Apply a thin coat of color, leaving a tiny margin around the cuticle line. Cap the free edge to increase wear. Allow to dry. Repeat step 1 for additional coverage and wear. Need a pro tip? If any of the OPI Nature Strong Natural Origin lacquer shades come into contact with the skin, remove immediately to prevent staining. Clean up any mistakes around the cuticle with a cleanup brush and OPI Expert Touch Nail Lacquer Remover. For additional shine and wear, apply 1 coat of OPI Nature Strong Top Coat and allow to dry. When the nails are dry, finish by applying OPI Pro Spa Nail and Cuticle Oil.